Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a snap swivel for easy lure changes and other things. So you're going to start out with obviously your snap swivel, and I usually run Spiderwire 30-pound tests. You can see right here I'm tying a uni knot. And if you guys are interested in any of these products at any time in the video, it will be pinned in the comments. And once you're done with that, it's pretty straightforward. You just open the snap, throw on your lure of choice, snap it back shut, then you can also bring it back open to switch out lures quick and easy if you want to do more time casting and less time tying knots. Hope this was helpful. A lot of people think it affects how realistic your lure looks. For me, it's shown no difference. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.